Get it, Cruiser. Whoop-a! 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 Whoop-a!
Still 7k, still 7k, still 7k.
Pretty healthy.
We can still look to. Okay,
It's
they're
fine,
going
it's
in hard on Wiz. They're going in hard on Wiz. We go on this? I'm going on turtle for now.
Okay, I'm molting, ulting.
On turtle, Kill him. Reset.
Nice! Nice!
I can't fall. I gotta go soon, okay? Get ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm going. Just got their Zed.
Special, get ready to go. Jinx.
Just run bot.
Jinx. Cat's behind you guys, she's coming behind you guys.
Yeah, I'm on
kite down if you can. Kite down.
I'm moving back a bit.
Kite down.
I'm on Cat. I'm on Leona first. I'm on Cat. Run.
Yeah.
I got him. Nice.
Nice.
Missing, Riven.
I'm looking for a TP. I'm
on Ezreal.
I'm on pole bouncer.
Leona.
I'm on pole bouncer.
So, I'm going for
Okay, go
Zed.
for it.
Keep going.
You can flash if you want to.
I have slow on 2. Cocoon in 1. Keep worked.
Get it, Cruiser. Whoop-a! Nice. I don't have
You
coin.
got anything? Yeah, I got a slow.
I have Q. It's a stun. It's a stun. I have ward. It's all you, Cruiser. I have a Q on him. Careful.
Nice.
BD got chunked. BD got chunked.
Oh, you.
I'm fine. I have an ult in 3, 2.
I have ult 5. That's all you.
Nice, baby.
I'm coming.
Yeah,
I have stun. Ulting? That's a stun on Zuna. Get him, boys.
Shen, go for him.
Go for it.
Go for Baron. Start going for Baron.
Okay.
Got it.
I'm ready.
Caitlyn just dushed over. Caitlyn dashed over.
I'm ready. Caitlyn.
All right, nice. Good job. That's how we do.
Oh, baby. Wow. Get out.
That's how we do.
Oh, baby.